Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a drop-down menu in Google Sites. This is a great way to organize your website's pages, make your site look more professional, and improve navigation for your visitors. First, open your Google site and go to the right side panel. Click on Pages. This is where you manage your site's structure and content. You'll see a list of all the pages on your site. This is your starting point for adding a drop-down menu. Next, find the three vertical dots next to the page under which you want to create your drop-down. Click on these dots to open a menu with additional options. Here, select Add Subpage. This is where the magic happens. You're creating a new page nested under your main page. This new page will appear in your drop-down menu. Give it a meaningful name that reflects the content visitors will find there. Once you've named your subpage, click Done to finalize it. Repeat these steps if you want to add more subpages under the same main page. Your drop-down menu will automatically expand to include all the subpages, making your site organized and easy to navigate. And that's it. You've successfully created a drop-down menu in Google Sites.